Shrutika, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Delhi right now and honestly it is so cold here. At the moment I'm at my friend's place. The clips you saw at the start of the video were at my aunt's place. So today I've just been traveling. I was in Noida, then I came to Delhi, now I'm in Gurgaon and basically I'm staying the night here at my friend's place and I'm here in Delhi for another week, so I thought it might be fun to do like a week in my life vlog and just share the interesting bits from each day. So I'm at my friends Snigdha and Suraj's place.
Hello.
Not even
hello.
So I'm at Snigdha and Suraj's place. Say hi.
Hello.
Who remembers Suraj, who stole my iPhone? And Snigdha is my friend from Bombay. Actually, why did I say that? You're my friend from Delhi.
God.
What?
One more day.
Okay, cool.
So I'm at my friend Snigdha and Suraj's place.
Hello, guys.
Snigdha just made us some coffee. And who remembers Suraj, by the way, who stole my iPhone? So we're playing a board game. It's called Citadel. It's my first time playing this board game. And we've also got some nachos, of course, cheese dip. And I'm just figuring out how to play this game. So we've just been playing Citadel all evening. I won. I think it's beginner's luck. But anyway, we're heading out right now. My brother Vikram is performing at the Piano Man tonight with his friends, so we're gonna go check him out. So we've made it here and this place looks so nice. There's lots of eating joints and stuff. We're just walking up to the Piano Man.
Little steps in the winter sun, crinkled eyes, seeing things incomplete, shivering in this blinding light, sunshine, but no warmth in her feet. It's a crazy world we're living in, and I just can't see that half of us immersed in sin is all we have to get these futures.
So it's the Sunday today. We've had a laid back morning just chilling at home. I'm still in Gurgaon with Snigdha and Suraj, and right now we've come to this place called Banjara Market, which is basically, what exactly is it?
It's basically a market that kind of sells everything you need.
For home related
Yeah,
stuff.
so home decor, furniture.
Yeah, so I've
Lot of
heard
knickknacks.
I've heard a lot about it. Suraj and Snigdha wanted to shop and I wanted to check out this place. So we're just walking around here. Let me show you what it looks like. Man, I really want to buy a mirror for myself, but I don't know how I'll carry it back home. I just bought this basket for myself. Look at this clock. How cool is this? So I'm back in my Nani's place now, and right now my mom and I were going out to get a haircut. The last time I got a haircut was when my mom gave me a haircut. There's one video on my channel as well where she cut my hair, and then after that she gave me another haircut. So this is like my first proper haircut, I think, in a year. So that should be fun. So because of the length of my hair, I'm just getting a bob done, same as what I had before, but just like a proper bob because the last one was just something we did at home. So done with our haircuts. This is what mine looks like. This is mom's. My hairdresser was actually saying that my mom did a really good job with the haircut. But Vikram's here too, and we're at the mall right
And
now.
I also got a haircut.
Oh yeah, he got a
shaved.
haircut and shaved too. So we're all well groomed after many months. And right now we're at the mall, just heading out for dinner with some family friends, and we're going to Big Chill, which is one of my favorite places during my college days. So very excited. So here's everyone. Hey guys, it's a new day. I didn't really vlog the last couple of days because my nani got a surgery, so we were just very busy with that. So right now we're actually going to meet my nani, and yesterday I did vlog a little actually. I was babysitting the kids at home, and my idea of babysitting is just to make them watch movies that I like. So we were watching movies all day. I'm babysitting the kids and I'm just doing some of my work, and we're also watching a movie. But yeah, going to meet my nani now, and after that I may just get my hair colored. I'm still figuring out if I want to do that or not. Before we proceed, I want to take a moment to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I've been using Skillshare honestly for like a couple of years now, and it's one of the best online learning platforms to fuel your creativity and curiosity. They have classes on lots of amazing topics like illustration, photography, videography, design, productivity, and even entrepreneurship. One class I did a few days ago is this photography class by Jessica Kubesi. So she's someone I've been following on YouTube for a while. In case you haven't heard of her, she's a really big photographer. She also shot PewDiePie's wedding, so it was really nice to learn from her. Her class is about an hour long, and she gave a lot of photography tips and also taught how she edits and retouches her photos. Definitely useful for me because as an influencer, that's something I have to do as well. The best part about Skillshare is how affordable it is. If you get an annual subscription, it only comes up to like under $10 a month, and I have a special offer for you guys. The first 1,000 people to click the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership, and in that you get access to all the classes. So definitely check out the link in the description and try out Skillshare.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me.
Okay, so I've come to get my hair colored. I'm getting like a balayage with different shades of brown. That's usually my go-to hairstyle. I feel like I should experiment sometime, but let's see how this turns out. This is a bit different from like the usual shades of brown I do.
Much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better.
So the application of the color is done. Now I just have to wait for like half an hour.
I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on. That shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right.
So meet Vinay, who did my hair. So please tell everyone what you did with my hair.
So we did a base and balayage together, and this is a new technique which gives you an exact balayage look. So if you see in Kritika's hair, there is no any particular line coming straight from the top to the end. It's all disconnected. It's giving a reflect like a sun kiss reflect. It's giving.
Alright, so thank you so much. If you're
You're
in
welcome.
Delhi, definitely come to the salon and ask for Vinay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so I'm done, and I'm sure you can't really tell what my hair looks like. I'll show it to you properly during the day. But yeah, I think my hair looks really nice, and I also got like the Olaplex treatment done, so my hair feels super soft. Also, this is not sponsored. I paid for it myself. So I went to Lux Salon in GK2, and they had like this offer going on for 30% discount, so it ended up being quite affordable. But anyway, right now the whole family is heading out for dinner in the same market, so I'm just waiting here walking around for them to arrive.
All you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me,
now, which is where we're having dinner. I've gotten us a table, but no one's here yet, so I'm just waiting for them.
I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, I'm really hurt. When I look at what I've won.
Good morning, guys. I just came outside to see what my hair looks like in sunlight, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but there is like lots of shades of brown, so it does look very different. So for breakfast today, we're having chole bhature. Ordered it from outside, and Pranay is here too today. Hi.
Hi.
So we are now on our way to the hospital. By we, I mean me and Pranay, to meet Nani. So they only allow like one person at a time to like meet the patient. So that's why not everyone is going. We're just gonna go and take turns to meet Nani and see how she's doing. Here's our lunch. We ended up ordering from outside. Nani is asleep. So we got some raw papaya salad, paneer satay, and some spring rolls. So it's evening time now, and spent literally all day at the hospital. Come out now for a quick snack, but after this I have to go back and donate some blood as well. So today is just like a hospital day, but I'm here with Vikram and Pranay.